Alright, y'all, we're backity back. Huh. I don't like the lighting. Alright, y'all, we're back, and that's loud. Okay.
I can't see the baby head. Not right here, right?
Okay, y'all. Oh, Speedy Gonzalez here.
Take a slight left turn to merge onto I-85 North.
Why are you ramming the Impala and not ramming the Tesla?
The Impala got over last minute.
Alright, y'all. So, we done been ripping and running all this morning. We went to the credit union. Then, we went to the dealership. Worked some numbers. Then, now we're going back. Not back to the same credit union, but we're going to the same branch of the credit union, just a different location, a closer location to the dealership. So basically, for credit union, you gotta get like a bill of sale. Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up to the credit union, and this has been a very, very tedious process. We went first, we've been ripping around all day. We went to the credit union. We went to the credit union this morning. Had some questions. And then we went to the dealership. Worked some numbers. Then now we're back at the credit union for, because we had to get a bill of sale. In order to go through a credit union, you have to bring them a bill of sale. Because if you don't bring them a bill of sale, then you're not getting your car. Point blank, period. So right now we're gonna go in here and I'm finna sign some papers, and I'm gonna be like, basically like house arrest the whole 72 months. House arrest the whole 72 months. So I'm gonna have someone to record me when signing the papers, signing on to house arrest.
Girl, you gonna use the key signature?
Yes, the one I've been working on all my life. So yes, y'all, I am smiling because I'm so happy. Like, your girl from the beginning, like, period. Car owner, not car owner yet. So what is it? First
potential car owner.
Potential car owner. First car by her. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned and
let's go.
Yeah. Ooh, I like that. Hold on. Let's go. I don't think it's gonna be pretty. Do I need to sign this one?
After that song.
Okay, thank you. Alright, y'all, so I'm waiting on the car. I went through all the process. Bro, paperwork is a lot. Like, paperwork is, it takes so much, man. Paperwork takes so much. But, ooh, look at this sunlight. But y'all, my car should have been out here by the time I walked out the door. But my salesman is going to go bring it around. Hopefully, we're waiting. We're waiting for it to come. It's hot out here. I was a bit hangry during the situation, like doing paperwork and everything. I was excited once I got everything, but I was hangry because, like, I haven't eaten since this morning. Since like 8 o'clock this morning, I haven't ate, and it is officially 4:30. I never go this long without eating, unless I want to. And right now I really don't want to. I'm hungry. Like, I really need to eat. man, did this for you guys. Well, I did it for myself. I ain't gonna cap. But y'all came along with me through this process. It was great. It was amazing. I'm happy. I may not show it right now that I'm happy, but I'm happy, man. I'm tired, hungry, aggravated. My head is starting to hurt. So, yeah. Hopefully. I don't know. I need to find something to eat. I wanted some Chipotle, but I don't know. I might get Chipotle back by the house, but I don't know if I could wait that long. Not even gonna lie. I need to see. I really want to try Truist, Chick-fil-A Truist, but I don't know where it's at. I'm waiting for them to bring the car so I can have a little video of it driving up. Chick-fil-A Truist. Feel like the first time beaming. I'm sorry. This just made me mad, man.